Hello and welcome to the quarterfinals, the last 8 of the KitKat World Cup.
Finally.
Ooh.
Finally,
finally we've got around to doing it.
Long time coming this.
It has. So in today's last 8, we're going to start with the Otona dark matcha, the rich matcha, and the Kumamoto Ikinari Dango.
And this is the quarterfinals.
Yes.
Final 8, the quarterfinals. So.
Knockout. Sudden Dumpling. All of it's been knockout though.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead.
Let's remind ourselves.
And remind
This has got to be
ourselves.
close, isn't it? I seem to remember these are a pair of tasty morsels.
They are good. Do you want the bigger half? Because this is the rich matcha.
Okay. Oh man. After all these Christmas sweets we've been eating, here we are eating KitKats. Come on.
This is much better than the Christmas sweets.
Yeah. It's so nice.
So good.
Big fan of that one.
They've started doing matcha KitKats in the UK, but they're not anywhere near as good as these.
Oh, they're not?
No, the flavour isn't as deep. They're still nice.
Is it just the normal matcha ones, or they actually sell these darker ones?
They don't sell the darker ones. It's just I think they do sell KitKat chocolatory KitKats, and maybe got some Sakura in. I think they do them in John Lewis Selfridges, maybe.
Do they?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, here we go.
Sudden Dumpling. Come on, come on, come on, mon. Come on.
He can hear you.
Come on.
Right. Oh yeah, I remember now.
I love these ones.
Yeah. Oh man. We're in the elite now. These are some of the elite KitKats. This final 8, aren't they? How did you decide to win that? They're so different, but yeah, they're both amazing.
It's so clever. So clever.
Go on, explain it.
Because it tastes like exactly like what it's supposed to, and I don't know how it's like witchcraft. There's sweet potato, there's red bean, there's mochi.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh no, because that was so nice. I think it gets better every time I have one of these ones.
Yeah.
Every time I have one, it's like, oh no, it's amazing. However,
I'm going to go with matcha.
Because I love matcha so much.
The taste of this is so... I'm going to go for taste over ingenuity and cleverness.
Yeah.
So, it's the dark matcha, because I can't see a world in which that doesn't get to the next round.
Okay. No, yeah.
So, sorry, Kumamoto. Sorry, Kumamoto.
He's angry, look. He's angry. Look at his shocked face. Look.
He is. He's shocked. I've shocked him.
Well annoyed. Well unhappy.
Now, the next half of this draw is so ridiculous that it was supposed to be the Hiroshima Momiji Manju. That was the jobber. How I got chocolate on my face.
Messy moo.
That was the real kind of. It was the jobber. The jobber knockout between
there were two weak KitKats going head to head.
Two Manju.
So one had to get through.
And it's going up against this, and frankly, it's so ridiculous that these are amazing. These are the Cherry Blossom, the Sakura Sake.
Yeah, these are good. So we hadn't even got another one.
There's no point.
We didn't buy another one.
No point even trying it.
No.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's really
amazing.
Good. Yeah, great.
So good.
Very flavoursome, aren't they?
Yeah. Have I got crumbs all over my face now?
No.
Not this time. So good. So to the next battle in this half the draw will be. Oh, this is like final quality for me.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Cherry Blossom, Sakura Sake, and the dark matcha.
That's strong, that isn't it?
That's
really strong. That's
strong.
Very strong.
Great.
Right. Now what?
So now I think we're going to go to the other half of the draw.
Yep.
Where we have a bit of a random battle. So we have the Hojicha Roasted Tea, so another quite traditional Japanese flavour. And then we have the more kind of western half, where we have the Halloween apple pie.
Which smell great, isn't it? It
Smell
smells
already.
so good, don't they?
Really, really good.
Right then, what's we go for first?
I think we go for the roasted tea first.
Okay.
Smells really nice.
Always gone a bit soft, don't they? We've had them in the cupboard. Yeah. I do like them, but I love them.
It's quite a subtle flavour, I think.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Have we got loads of these?
No, just the one.
What ones did we end up getting another bag of?
Lemon Setouchi salt. I think we got
Okay.
have a few more of these as well. This is the Halloween apple pie.
Yeah, it smells
purple.
so good. You can just sniff these all day.
Cinnamon.
Not quite as fresh as they were like 3 months ago, are they?
They were in a sealed bag. But yes.
Okay.
So I think, I mean, Halloween apple pie for me.
Yeah.
Halloween apple pie. As nice as this one is, it's very subtle flavour. I wouldn't be disappointed ever if I got given one of these.
No, they're nice.
They're nice.
They're nice.
But
If this is a smelling contest, the nicest smelling KitKats World Cup, I reckon.
Okay, so for the next matchup, we have lemon Setouchi salt. Tastes like cheesecake. And the peach mint, which was a little bit of a surprise to get through. It beat the Hokkaido melon, which is one of my favourite ones.
So these have knocked out some top competitors,
Tough.
haven't they?
Yeah.
Right, come on, let's do it.
Right, okay, are we going for peach mint
lemon
first or
first.
lemon first?
Yeah, these have got a lot to live up to. Knocked out some. Whoa,
So
watch
I
people
did it
stop
again.
doing that.
Give you the big half.
Oh. Look on socks. Oh, but still lovely. Okay.
We do have more of these.
We do.
We have more.
Not for much longer.
Not for much longer.
Okay.
I take it back, it's lemon meringue pie, not lemon cheesecake. Either or. Hey,
Yeah, lemon ram pie, definitely.
peach mint. Did it right that time.
Thank you.
Random combination.
Oh, this one. Yeah.
I'm getting more of the
It is.
peach this time.
Oh yeah, I'm not at all. It's all about. It's almost like mint chocolate.
Weirdly,
For
I
me.
got more of the peach that time. The first
Okay.
time, I think I just tasted the mint. That time, I did definitely taste more of the peach.
However,
there is no contest here. It is going to be this one.
we knew that. We knew that.
This is nice. Really nice.
It's a Japan Shorts favourite, isn't it?
It is a Japan Shorts favourite. I think if they're still selling these when we go back next, there's going to be some of them on our cases. Maybe not just the one bag. Maybe more.
I don't be greedy. No, you're absolutely right. Right, so now we are into the semi-finals.
So, in the semi-finals, we have Otona Dark Matcha versus the Sakura Sake.
Versus?
And we have Halloween Apple Pie versus...
Say it properly. Versus, not versus.
It's spelled
Who did you
V-E-R-S-U-S.
sound like when you did that? You sound like someone when you said that.
3PO.
No, not 3PO.
It's spelled V-E-R-S-U-S.
It's not okay, it's not how you pronounced it, it's more versus.
So anyway, it's Halloween Apple Pie versus Lemon Setouchi Salt.
Oh dear. Okay, let's do it.
So it's Otona Dark Matcha v Sakura Sake
Oh, it's going to be so difficult. Let's just do it, let's do it.
and Halloween Apple Pie v Lemon Setouchi Salt.
Let's do it.
So we have the Otona Dark Matcha, first of all, and that's going to be up against the Sakura Sake. This is a very, very tough matchup. So
This could, if we can't agree on this, there could be like divorce papers. I tell you.
it's a personal preference.
No, it's war. Okay.
Sounds like you've made up your mind already.
No, I haven't. Because every time I have this one, I always think, oh, it's so much better than I remember it. Even though I just had one like 10 minutes ago.
Oh, it smells like sake.
Hold on, just have a swig of tea. Let me just have a little
you
swig
need to
of
cleanse
tea.
the palate.
You can't just do it willy-nilly, you know.
You need to take our duties more seriously.
Yeah, right, go. Okay, I know.
Right, okay. Are we going to do some count of three?
Come on then.
1, 2, 3. Sakura sake.
Now what are we going to do? We dreaded this. What are we going to do? Okay, why?
No, that's a good way of doing it. I think the taste is more complex. I think it's very clever, and to get the subtle flavours of both the sake and the cherry blossom in there. And I think it's completely different from anything that you can get really in England, whereas they do the matcha KitKats in England now.
That's a good point.
Although having said that, they do cherry blossom of some sort, I think, in the English ones.
I'll win then. Okay, I'll give you that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll give you that.
Oh.
You made a good point. Valid point.
Oh,
There's lots of
Matcha.
There are lots of matcha flavour
Sorry,
things.
Matcha. They are amazing. But I don't know that I could say that the KitKat matcha KitKats, were better than other matcha things that you can buy in England, and like from like Chinese supermarkets, Korean supermarkets, and things.
Okay.
Yep.
Sorry,
I didn't mean it. I did. Okay, now for the other semi-final, we have the lemon and Setouchi salt, and we have Hallowe'en apple pie. So which one do you want to try first?
Apple pie.
Okay. Amazing how much better this is when you've got fresh KitKats.
These ones you have to whiff these before you eat them, man.
Yeah.
Can you get like some sort of scented thing, sort of like similar to this?
Probably could get like a apple and cinnamon scented candle.
Ah, there we go. That's what we need. Very. That's so much better now. We haven't got like an old lemon. One that's been knocking around for 3 months.
That's really good. Do love them. Really tasty. It's a shame they're like limited edition.
They're perfect for a cup of tea, aren't they?
Halloween 2009.
Perfect for a cup of tea.
So now lemon and Setouchi salt. Lemon and meringue pie.
Give me that lemon.
Oh no!
How was that? Go on, show the camera that smell.
I couldn't possibly have given you the small one, could I?
Nope. Can't just eat these willy-nilly. They're so good. So the final then.
And the final was going to be lemon and Setouchi salt versus the Sakura sake.
Okay. Well, that's the final. That's the big one.
Yes, and we're going to need to get another one of these out the bag.
I'll go to the bag. You entertain the viewers while I go to the bag, the stock room.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yep, so now it comes to the final. The lemon and Setouchi salt versus the Sakura sake. Which one are we going for first?
The one you've got in your hand.
Okay.
I guess. Oh, I can't believe this is it. Oh, I can't believe this is it.
So good.
I think that... Is this final worthy?
It is final worthy.
I'm thinking of some of the ones which have been eliminated, and they're, for me, I think they're as good, if not nicer than this.
I really like these.
Oh, I really like them, but Yeah. Great.
Really good. Tasty and complex.
Alright, let me sort my palate out. Let's get this tea down us.
I need to make sure I have a more even break this time.
Here we go.
Because I had a diddy one of these before. It's gone horribly wrong
again. Yeah, I have
again.
the little one there.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Little miss, I can't snap something in half properly.
You could have done it.
I never wash my hands though, so probably shouldn't. Well,
so I think should we do this on the count of 3 again to decide the winner and put them both where we can reach them. So
and then
3, 2, 1. Lemon and Setouchi salt for me.
yeah, me too.
Yeah, these are amazing.
But
Lemon meringue
I sort
pie.
of knew it always would be.
Yeah.
Ever since
First trying them, they're so good.
Yeah, ever since we collected 16 KitKats
So good.
for this tournament,
So good.
I knew it. I sort of thought, unless you suddenly start to fall in love with something too much,
Yeah.
and it got to like a 50-50 thingy.
It's funny because before, when we were ordering KitKats kind of online to try, we never... This one was one I thought, that sounds nice, but it was never one of the ones I was most excited about trying.
No, I know what you mean.
Because you think, salt and lemon, it's just lemon. But these are so much better. Lemon meringue pie, lemon cheesecake.
So what we'll have to do, as we're off to Japan in a few weeks, which is hard to believe, we'll be on the hunt for rivals, won't we?
Yeah.
Who can knock this off the top spot?
They do. They do an Ichigo Daifuku one now, like strawberry mochi, and that is what I'm going to be on the hunt to try.
Right, there we go. There's our man.
Lemon and Setouchi salt.
Here he is.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you for watching.
And subscribe, please. How many have we got now?
I think it's about 15.
But we've got a video up to 500 views.
We have got a
today.
video over 500 views.
500, not 500,000.
No,
500.
Yeah, not 500 million.
So that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Someone's watching some stuff. So. Right.
See you later.